In this video, I talked to you about the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and the reason I was unhappy with it. I also do a short comparison of the books that I bought in 2019 versus 2020. Hey guys, I'm Sankalpata and you're watching Book Geeks India, which is a channel where I make book related videos. If you like books, if you love reading, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And guys, please do comment because you know it that I absolutely love it when you comment. In this video, like I told you, I'm going to talk to you about the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, which was there for 2020. I did not like the sale because I was expecting a lot of discounts and they just did not happen. The number one reason why I did not like the sale is that because I did not find a lot of discounts. Yes, there were certain books available, but they were not deliverable to my pin code. I have a brother in Noida, and he told me that he has access to a lot of books which are showing deliverable in his location. But when it came to me, I was trying the same books and they were just not deliverable. Number two is that maybe I had set my expectations too high. Like I had shopped from Flipkart last year, and I remember getting so many discounts that I was just thrilled. And with the same kind of expectations, I went on to this year also, but I did not find any discounts. Number three is that the overall experience was just too harrowing. I tried purchasing 6 books twice. I just don't know what happened. It was showing a technical error, and that made it impossible for me to buy those books. The second time, I did the same thing. And again, I went to the entire process and I added the books to my cart. I paid the money, and the money also got deducted from my account. But it still showed that the order is not getting placed. So I don't know why that happened. And by the end of the day, so this was like almost after 6 hours, my order was rejected because Flipkart said they never got the money, but it was deducted from my account. And then after I think 2 or 3 days, I got the money back into my account. So that was a harrowing experience for me. And I was like, oh my god, this is not happening. This is so not cool. I'm gonna quickly tell you about the books that I added to my cart this time. Number one book that I added to my cart was Seven Effects of Highly Successful People, and this is a self-help book by Stephen R. Covey, which is like the best out there if you want to get some qualitative advice. And this was available for just 126 rupees. The other book that I added to my cart was I Have Never Been Unhappier by Shaheen Bhatt, and this was also in the same range. It was around 117. The third book that I added to my cart was a children's book, and this was called Kahalo by Om Books, and this was I think around 68 rupees. The other book was Rajniti by Chintamani Gautam, and this was also for 130 or something. The fifth book that I had added was Go, Essays on India's Sporting Transformation, and this is a collection of essays by a lot of people, by a lot of sporting personalities like Rahul Dravid, like Abhinav Bindra, and also Pulela Gopichand. And this book was available for around 89 rupees. The next book that I had added to my cart was The Anatomy of a Sting, and this was available for 89 rupees, and this is by an author called Bhupen Patel. So these were the 6 books that I wanted to add, but I just could not buy them because twice my order was just not placed. And I also saw some other books which were available for very cheap, but like I told you, they were not deliverable to my location. And also a lot of these books are already with me. I already have the physical copy. And finally guys, the worst part about this Big Billion Day discount, that both the books that I ordered, like I told you, I just ordered 2 books. Both the books that I ordered were pirated copies. I placed an order for a replacement copy. I contacted the Flipkart team and I gave them all the details. But again, the copies that I got are pirated copies. And I know a lot of you guys have questions about how to identify, how to spot a pirated copy. So I'm gonna do another video on the very same topic, and that will be very helpful. So stay tuned to my channel because I'll be talking about how you should identify pirated copies. Before I get into that, let me give a huge shout out to Mr. PC Bala, the author of this book, Jujube, The Journey to a Joyful Being. Now this is a book that I recently finished reading. I have posted a review on my Instagram and also on my blog, so you can definitely check it out there. And this is a book that serves you as a reminder of seeking joy from the things that do not cost you anything. Now what I like about this book is that this book is specially written for Indian readers because it takes into account Indian sensibilities, Indian customs, Indian traditions, and also the way Indian society works. Now, if you ask me this question, is it just another book on happiness? I don't think so. No. One reason is I already told you because it is written keeping in mind the needs and experiences of Indian readers. The second reason is that this book is not at all preachy. It serves as a reminder to let you know all the things that are out there from which you can gain happiness. And this is a book which has a lot of ideas, a lot of practical tips, the author's own experiences, and he also takes a lot of experiences from celebrities. Now, you know me, guys, whenever I find something important, I always highlight the portions that I read. And one thing that I loved about this book is that at the end of every chapter, this book has a set of questions that make you ponder, that make you ask yourself some very difficult questions. And it is only then that you realize that you're missing out on something very substantial, on something that you can do, you can start doing right away. And you know me, guys, if I do a sponsored video, I usually just talk about the book. But if I really like a book, I would definitely recommend it to you. And that's why I am recommending this book to every single person who wants to seek joy and happiness in life and who has not previously read a lot of books in this genre. Also, guys, please don't kill me for accepting a sponsored video. It is just one of the ways that we survive on YouTube. It's otherwise very difficult to make money on YouTube. And you know me, I spend a lot of time and effort in keeping my channel alive. And this is just a small way how I can keep afloat. So please, I hope you understand. So guys, these books that I got are pirated copies. Now most of you would know this. This is Homo Deus by the very famous author Yuval Noah Harari. And this is a book that talks about our future, that talks about the global changes that are happening all over the world, and what does the future holds for us as a race, as a human race, and how do we protect this fragile world that is today from our own destructive power. So this is a book that talks about that. Yuval Noah Harari is a best-selling author and he writes very well. Sapiens is a book that is also on my list, and my husband has read it and he loved it, and he tells me like you have to read it. The next book is a psychological thriller which is like all the rage on internet. It was hailed as one of the best books of 2019, and it's been months since I planned to read this, but I have never got around to actually do it. So this is the story of this woman called Alicia who actually keeps a diary, a journal, which she maintains to tell herself, to remind herself that everything is normal in her life, and also to remind her husband that everything is normal. But one fine day, suddenly she shoots her husband, shoots him 5 times, and he ends up dead. And Alicia never ever speaks a word again. Now there is this forensic psychotherapist called Theo who's obsessed with Alicia's case, and he wants to know deep down into the details of what happened with Alicia, what went wrong. And this is the story of Alicia and Theo and what Theo figures out about Alicia. So like I told you, because it's a book that has been spoken about so much, I am definitely planning to read it. Also guys, let me tell you, I got this book for 186 and I got this one for 210. So if you think that these are cheap buys, they are not, because they are pirated copies. The money is not at all going to the author or the publisher, and that's a shame because piracy is just not cool, right? Another thing, guys, you must have noticed that there's something wrong with my voice. I just got up from fever and I had a very sore throat, so I'm just recovering. And that's the reason you will find a lot of nasal twang in my voice, and so forgive me for that. Now, guys, this was my experience of the 2020 Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. And I just got 2 books totaling 396 rupees, which is not really a cheap deal if I compare it to the last year, because last year was just fantastic. Now, guys, when I'm telling you that 2019 was the best year ever in terms of discounts, I am not kidding. I have all the invoices, obviously, they'll be there in my Flipkart in case you're not trusting me, that is. But I got such amazing deals last year that I was just spellbounded. I know I should have done a book haul video last year, but that just did not happen. I don't know why. I am crazy at times and that just happens. But last year I ended up buying 38 books. 38 books as compared to 2 books this year, and these 38 books cost me only and only 2500 rupees. Just imagine the kind of deals that I got. And because all of these books, and most of these books are actually hardcovers, are original hardcovers, they're not pirated copies at all, because I by now can make out if a book is pirated or not. I think the video about the 38 books that I got in 2019, like the huge unbelievable book haul, is just too long for me to put it in a single video, which has also the books of 2020 and me talking about the disappointments of 2020. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a separate video and I'm just gonna give you a glimpse. You see, I have all these books that are there, like I can't even tell you. There are loads and loads of books here that I want to show you in that video. And I don't know, it'll be too long for you to see. It'll be like a 40-minute video, and I just don't want to bore you so much in a single video. I'm gonna do it in a next video. So stay tuned to this channel because I'll be showing you some amazing deals that I got last year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until the next video, which will be pretty soon, bye.